What up guys, I am Chanel and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to do a wig install using this wig from Beauty Forever, and it is their Blonde Highlight Piano Lace Frontal Wig. It does come pre-plucked. It's 150% density. I do not believe the knots are bleached, so I did have to go in and bleach the knots. The knots are a little thick, so you will have to allow the bleach to stay on the knots a little longer than what you probably will want to because they are thicker. It does come with the 3 combs and the adjustable straps in the back. This is not an HD or a transparent lace. It's like a medium brown lace. So right here I'm just showing that it is pre-plucked. Okay, so let's get started with applying the wig. I'm just going to use a thin layer of Got2b glue gel to lay down the lace. And I already know I'm not a lace guru, so I'm going to try to actually get this as melted as I possibly can. And girl, I am not paying attention to where I got my hot comb. It actually burnt the side of my makeup brush. That's why I made that face there. But yeah, I am just going to lay this lace down and do what I can do with it. But this company is excellent to work with so far. My experience with them has been good. They actually did not have the original unit that I ordered, which was a 22-inch. So they texted me the very next day and asked me if it was okay for me to receive the 20-inch and they would pay me the difference between the lengths. I said that's fine. So they refunded me my difference within that same day that they texted me, and they shipped this out, I want to say within maybe a day they shipped it out. So the shipping was pretty fast. Only con about this wig is the cap size is, well, I wouldn't say the only con because there's 2. The cap size is too big is one, so I had to trim a lot of the wig off. Around the ears, I did have to go into the point where I trimmed off where the adjustable straps were, as well as trimmed a lot of the lace off because the cap was just too big. I believe it's a one-size-fit-all cap. So if you have a head size about mine, just know that it is going to be too big. Originally when I installed this wig, I was just going to do like a flip over method, you know, just that really messy look. But this lace frontal has so many short hairs sticking up, like the flyaways all throughout the lace frontal is just sticking up everywhere. And I did not like that because this unit is so beautiful. Like, I even like the coloring. Like I said, it's a soft unit. I didn't have any shedding, but Beauty Forever, you have to get it together because these little short pieces that's sticking up is troublesome. You have to put so much product on it to get them to lay down. I use hairspray, I use my wax stick. Just to get the hairs laid down, I had to use a lot of product. So that is one thing, you know, that you guys have to be cautious of. Since the lace is a medium brown color, I did go in with my concealer and just kind of define that part a little better. I did use like a stocking cap underneath the lace, but I think it was just tinted so dark that you couldn't really see it. It will be a good idea to go in with like a concealer or like a foundation that's a couple of shades lighter than your skin tone, just to make it look more realistic and scalp-like. And girl, excuse me right here, the Chiefs game is on, so I was into that and trying to get this wig done. But yeah, it was a play that happened that I was into. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you decided to purchase this unit. And also, what would you like to see in my next video? I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to share. See you later.